So if you watched all the other videos so far, you're probably now at a point where you're able to make some really kick-ass websites, which is awesome. However, your websites are going to be kind of limited in what they can do. So you're gonna need to learn more. You're gonna need to go beyond HTML. So how do we do that? Well, I highly recommend Mozilla's Getting Started with the Web program. They have a great outline of different web technologies, how to get started with the basics, how to make it on your own computer, and how to do stuff like that. So the one thing that I did not teach you in this tutorial series was how to actually go about putting the website on your computer and loading it locally on your computer. We used an editor called JSPin, which is hosted online, but Mozilla has instructions on how to do that. And I also have other videos. I have a tutorial series about how to create your own portfolio webpage that you guys can also look at and see how it's done from start to finish. So yeah, in this example, it's going to go over what your website would look like dealing with files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics, and then how to actually publish it. And then finally at the end, there's some really cool stuff. It's got something called How the Web Works. What we did here was we kind of just scratched the surface and we went over the different HTML tags. But if you go look at How the Web Works, I'm going to pull it up real quick. It has a lot of really cool theory and a lot of the technical nitty-gritty stuff that you don't really need to understand to write your code in the short term. Exactly like they say right here, this theory is not essential to writing code in the short term, but before long you definitely need to really know what is happening in the background. So after you kind of learn about how to go through the process of writing the code, I really advise you and encourage you to go and learn about the theory and figure out how to keep going and kind of learn about what is really happening behind the scenes, because that stuff is super important and it's also really interesting and fun to learn about. But thanks for watching this fast HTML tutorial series. I hope you guys have enjoyed and I hope you guys have learned a lot. I'm looking forward to putting out my next few tutorial series, such as fast CSS and fast JavaScript. So thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.